This burst covers Excel reporting for virtual testing protocols in Oasis 23. Virtual testing protocols increasingly require engineers to populate Excel spreadsheets with simulation model quality and results data. Two recent examples are the element quality reporting for Euro NCAP CP551 and the simulation data template for IIHS whiplash prevention. Oasis 23 now allows you to export results directly into these spreadsheets, saving you significant manual effort. In Primer, there is a new element quality reporting tool for both Euro NCAP and IIHS quality checks. In THIS, results data can be exported directly from the Automotive Assessments Workflow tool. The element quality reporting tool can be opened from the Safety menu in Primer. It can be also accessed from the main JavaScript menu and Node import process. I am going with the default model unit system and output format, but they can be changed according to your requirements. Select all the HBM parts in the model using the Select HBM Parts option. Select an existing copy of the Euro NCAP or IIHS spreadsheet file and select the worksheet to be completed. Click Calculate and Write to export the results. This might take a bit of time to run. Once the file is updated, you can open it in Microsoft Excel to inspect the results. Now I will briefly demo exporting to the simulation data template for IIHS whiplash prevention in THIS. With results loaded through the Read Data panel, load the Automotive Assessments workflow. Open the file directory selector and choose the Excel template file. Click Export and the program will start to process the data. This will take a bit of time to run. Here is an example of the completed Excel sheets. Both the data points and time history data sheets should now have the data entries filled as required. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.